the new lock. It came with this. What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we're gonna be doing the trunk latch, well, the lock for the trunk on the 1972 Buick LeSabre. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. That way you don't miss any videos. We'll get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Alright guys, now let's get to work. Oh my goodness, story of my life. All the cars are super dirty. They always super dirty. Y'all see, but hey, it's part of owning a whole bunch of vehicles. Everything is gonna be dirty, especially when it's been super cold. Today was pretty nice, so it was a little bit better. We're gonna get this, first I gotta get this trunk open, and then we'll start on the trunk lock. Oh yeah, I forgot to show y'all the part. Don't lose this. We're gonna need that screw. This is what they sent me. I put in 1972 Buick LeSabre. Y'all see the part number right there. It's a GM part number 1910542. So we're gonna see what we got here. Okay, now we gotta get this trunk open. This is the main reason I'm tired of this. So like the original key, it wouldn't work like this. The lock was like seized up or whatever, so I had to take it out, because if y'all go back and watch them videos, I was repairing the inside of the trunk. That wasn't working for me. So now we got the lock. Hopefully they sent us the right one, and I can't get this open. Let's see, right there. If I didn't have the camera on, I would have got it open on the first freaking try. That's crazy. Okay, it's leaning to the right a little bit. Got the hole lined up finally. Alright, we are in there. As y'all can see, I fixed all this stuff in here. So today we're going to be concentrating in this area. Concentrating on this area. Let's see what we got. I'm not going to lay this on there, so we'll lay it right here. So this is the new lock. It came with this, but that's why you got to be careful, because look at this. This is the original, and then this is what it came with. That's not gonna work on this car. See, and then they said it'll fit a 1972 Buick LeSabre. I bet you that's like a 1972 Caprice or something. This is the original. See how that hook is? Let's look at this one they sent us. Look at that. That's a big difference, guys. So this rod would not even reach that. So you gotta think about that. So don't order this one if you got a 1972 Buick LeSabre. I think this is more like my 75 Caprice, the one in the garage. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to make it work. So we'll make sure our key is facing the right way. You want it facing down, and then we'll run this like that. We'll see if it'll make it through to our hole. Man, that's facing the other way though. Why? There we go. I was fixing to say, that ain't right. Okay guys, we'll push it down. Go in right here. Go. I hope y'all can see. Can y'all see what we're doing? So the rod just went in there. And the reason I want to do this video, it's not going to be a long video. I see too many people riding around with this hole right here. And it's very simple to just get you a lock and put you a new lock on there. And then that keeps people from popping into your trunk with a screwdriver. Because it ain't hard to do. So now, this is what locks it. So this one's a little bit different. I probably just messed up, guys, but we're learning together. So yeah, it is different. I'm gonna have to push this in there, slide it through there. I see already where I messed up at. So yeah, let's get that on there, because like the caprices and stuff like that, you just slide this in here and it holds it in place. But as y'all can see, that's not gonna hold this one. It's too short on this type of trunk.
What they talking about? I don't know.
So what we're gonna do, pull it back out, and we'll run this through there. This side's got the paint on it. Let me come down, brother, so you can see right here. You can scoot over and show them over here if you want. Scratching my paint. You can. Let me put this down. Get this thing in here. No, that's going the wrong way. Alright, there we go. So that'll be like that. Then we'll slide our lock. Lined up right there, guys. My son's recording for us. Y'all give him a round of applause. What's your channel?
I forgot.
Ah, man, he ain't been posting, guys. Y'all see that? You gotta keep grinding. Right, Super Smooth Gang. You gotta keep grinding. I can't tell which way the key is. I think it's the right way. Okay, so the key is facing the right way. We're gonna hold that in place and we'll slide this piece on there. It locks on to the lock. I can't see in there no more though. That's the weird part about it. So I don't know if I'm behind it, on it, or what. There it goes. That's kind of crazy though, because you can't see what you're doing. So y'all see that little hole right there? So that little hole right there, we're gonna put a screw in there, and then we should be good. We'll test it out. Alright, cool. We got our rods set right. Get this thing tightened up. And guys, I mean, if y'all new, man, you gotta subscribe because we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff to this car. Also the El Camino, also the Corvette. I mean, we got a lot of stuff going on, so, and it's getting ready to be summertime again. So, Silky Smooth gang, we're gonna turn up. Y'all gotta join our team. And we're gonna take y'all with us all the way up. We respond to all comments. We love our subscribers over here. Y'all take care of us, we take care of y'all. So let's see if this thing works while I'm talking. Dang, it sounds good though. Oh Lord. Oh, okay. It's just smooth. It's smooth, guys.
Feel the click.
Yeah, you can feel the click. Smooth. Oh yeah, watch it. Good job, son. Appreciate it. Ooh, look at that hair, man. There's hair all over the place. That works. So guys, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, don't never throw away your original parts. Y'all just seen what happened. Oh yeah, AP, I'm calling you out right now because you said, man, you ain't gonna need that, it's gonna come with new stuff. No, man, it didn't come with the right stuff. So y'all see what just happened. We had to use a couple of old parts, but hey, everything turned out good. We're gonna do the door locks next. And probably next video, I'm gonna reveal what speakers that we're gonna be running in this bad boy. And what else? We can't tell them everything because they gotta subscribe so they can see the rest, right? Right? Okay. Alright guys. Y'all already know the routine. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.